Hi, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Lucy.
And today we're going to take you with us to see what a pupil at Milton Abbey does in a day.
Come with us to breakfast.
Teaching science at Milton Abbey is literally a joy. I really do look forward to coming into work and to engaging the students with a fun and interactive curriculum. Our third form curriculum is bespoke in that we try and create fun and engaging lessons for the students to really instill a love of learning to prepare them for their GCSE and A-level journey beyond.
I just finished my biology lesson and I'm coming to art and you're coming with me.
Now that we're at art, I'm going to introduce you to my teacher before I get into my work. Please introduce yourself, miss.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Burton. I'm head of art at Milton Abbey.
I have a question for you. How do the surroundings and beautiful grounds of the school help the students with their art and photography projects?
Well, I think you'll agree that our surroundings and our grounds are very inspirational, especially in the summertime when it's full of colour and texture. Students can do projects that are to do with buildings and the built environment, looking at architecture.
Hello, what's your name and what year are you in?
My name's Jamie Trowbridge and I'm in lower sixth.
What do you enjoy about doing art at Milton Abbey?
I like the small classes, the individual help, and how it's a space I can just come up here to finish my project or to get some extra help with scribing with my dyslexia. And yeah.
How long have you been doing art out for at Milton Abbey?
I've been doing art at Milton Abbey for 2 years in GCSE, so 4th to 5th form, and this is my first year of A-levels.
Wow, thank you very much, Jamie.
We just finished our art lesson and now we have a 20-minute break, so
We'll see you after.
bye guys! Hi, what's your name?
My name's Mr. Burnham Slipper.
Okay, what's your role in Milton Abbey?
I'm Director of Land-Based Studies, and Land-Based Studies means everything from animal care all the way through to equine, to countryside and agriculture.
Okay, what's Milton Abbey offer in countryside and equine?
So we offer a carousel for the third form, so they can come in and have a taster, and then when they make their choices in the fourth form, they can study land-based studies, so they can learn about plants, animals, and then they can do that as a GCSE option. And then from that, they can go into sixth form. So we have sixth form in countryside and equine, which is our horse riding.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much.
That's okay.
We just went to lunch and now I'm going to LD. LD is an important part of school as it helps different people with their different learning difficulties.
Instead of showing you what the sports I'm doing, I will show all the sports Milton Abbey can offer. And for this, we have Mr. Laws that will explain everything to you.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, my name's Mr. Laws and I've got the privilege of being the Director of Sport here at Milton Abbey. Here at Milton Abbey we're really lucky with the amount of sport the pupils get to do. They get to play sport at least 4 afternoons a week, which is really exciting. And one of the biggest things that we do here at Milton Abbey is we try and give the pupils a choice of the sport that they want to play, because ultimately the biggest thing about sport within a school is we want pupils to grow passions that are going to last a lifetime, and they're going to continue to play sport and get all the benefits that sport has to offer right the way into adulthood. And to do that, we do a whole variety of different sports. So we do your sort of traditional team sports, so whether that's rugby, hockey, netball, cricket, but we also offer lots of individual sports, so things like mountain biking and road biking and sailing and badminton and swimming and horse riding. So there's a real huge variety of sports available for pupils to pick, and they pick that sport, and hopefully, like I said, they get a chance to really engage in that sport and learn it. And we have lots of different fixtures and opportunities for them to compete, whether that's fixtures against other schools or challenges, like we recently did a 24-hour swim challenge. So lots and lots for pupils to get involved in. On a Wednesday, we have another full program where pupils can get to do outdoor adventurous activities like the CCF or the Duke of Edinburgh, or polo or clay pigeon shooting. So again, lots of sport for pupils to pick from. So in Milton Abbey, we get everyone involved. Everyone gets the opportunity to represent the school playing fixtures, keep fit, have lots of fun, be really active.
Enjoyed the tour of our school.
Thank you for being with us today, and we hope you can visit sometime.
Bye!